YouTube just sent my payment. Yes. So guys, YouTube just paid me for the month of August, and if you can see from the screen here, it's written August 22, 2025. Yeah, that was the date YouTube sent this paycheck to my account. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with us how much YouTube actually pays me as a small channel. This is actually my first ever YouTube paycheck on this my Life of Princess Chiamaka's channel. Yeah. And believe me when I say you are going to be surprised on how much I was able to make with just 3,000 subscribers. With less than 3,000 subscribers, I was able to make this. And I only uploaded few videos. So if you're out there and you've ever wondered how much can a small channel actually earn on YouTube, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be revealing all of that and also the videos and how much each video actually made me. Okay, so with that much being said, let's get straight into my YouTube studio analytics. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life of Princess Chiamaka. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. And if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, on this channel, what do you expect? You expect to see my paychecks, my earnings, the mistakes that I've made on YouTube, because I have a channel with over 33,000 subscribers here. So I'm going to tell you how this whole thing works and what you need to actually do to put things to places, and also my personal life. Okay, so for today's video, we already know what it's all about. I just got paid and I got monetized on the month of July. Yes, I got monetized, I think, yes, July, towards 11th to 14th of July. So as of July 15th, I started making money on YouTube here. So, and YouTube actually paid me that month. Yes. Though I know that I was not able to meet the required threshold, but something actually happened, or how do I put it? See, if you have two channels on YouTube here and you want to use the same information to monetize both channel, you have to either link it or you look for somebody else to help you monetize the second channel. Am I making sense? Maybe I should make a separate video for this particular thing. Yeah, so that we will not talk too much in this particular video. Okay. Yeah. So the thing is, this my lifestyle channel is linked to my main channel, which is my main YouTube channel. Yeah, so the earnings came together, but one good thing is YouTube was able to separate it. Okay, this amount came from this channel and this amount came from this channel. Yeah, so what I'm going to be showing you is how much I accumulated for the month of July, which was paid to me for the month of August. Yes, if you're still confused, if you make money on January, you're not going to get that money in January. YouTube will pay you in February. So the money you make in February is what YouTube will pay you in March. The money you make in March is what you get in April. So this paycheck was what I was able to accumulate for the month of July, which actually came to me August 22. Yeah, so for this August paycheck, I'll be getting it in September, right? Yeah. So we're going to be going straight to my YouTube studio analytics right now, and I'll be sharing with you how much was actually sent to me for the month of July. Yeah, so let's quickly click on this my estimated revenue, and from the screen here you can boldly see it. For the month of June, I made 00. For the month of May, 00, April, 00, and March, 00. So that is to tell you that I actually started earning as of the month of July. Okay, so I think first of all, let's quickly go to check my audience, because one thing about YouTube whole paycheck and all, your audience matters a lot. That is, your audience affects how much you earn here on YouTube. So before you judge how much YouTube paid me, let us quickly check the audience. It's very, very important. All right, so for my audience, the channel that actually watch me a lot is Nigeria, my beautiful beloved country, which is 68.2%. Yeah, then I have Ghana for 3.5%. I have Kenya, then I have the world country as my what, 1, 2, 3, 4, my fifth country watching me, which is United States and United Kingdom. Had it been these two countries were actually standing as this Nigeria and Ghana, baby girl would have made a lot of money. But anyways, anywho's, we are grateful. Okay, so no much talk, let's quickly check out the revenue straight, then I show you all the videos that contributed to how much to the amount that is, or to the amount I was being paid. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the month of July, and you can see that YouTube paid me $47.43, which is mind blowing. Like, I didn't even expect it, because after I got monetized that month of July, I didn't really post much videos, and you are going to see it from what I'm going to be showing you. So this amount that actually came to my account was really, really mind blowing. I honestly did not even expect it. When I got the final email from YouTube on my AdSense, I saw that they actually added a particular amount to what YouTube paid me on my main channel. And I was like, how come? Where is the money coming from? Before I was able to trace it, that was coming from my lifestyle channel. Yes, and another thing that affects how much you earn here on YouTube is the niche itself. Okay, so now let's quickly check out on the videos that made me this amount. You can see it's my top earning content is this particular video that I talked about, how one video made me over 2 million naira. So that video, I think it has gotten how many views? 7,000 views, and it gave me $7. So this other video gave me also $7. This other one gave me $5. You can see it down to I think this particular video here that says how normal people. So basically it was just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So just 10 video that I posted throughout that month that was able to make me this amount. Now imagine I had uploaded more. So have you seen that the minute you get monetized on YouTube and you start posting once, your revenue is going to be low. It's going to be low, because I have a student also in lifestyle channel, also a Nigerian viewer audience. But this babe makes close to $200 every month. Her view is almost same thing with my view. So, but the difference between my channel and her channel is that she uploads consistently. Like, she uploads more. On this channel I post sometimes just twice in a week, sometimes once in a week. So this is simply me telling you that if I'm able to post more, of course I would have made double of this. Yeah, but I was so busy with my main channel, and maybe this month of August has gone already, because this month of August I just realized that I have posted only 5 or 6 videos, which is very, very bad of me. Next month we go again. You guys are going to be seeing not just only teaching but my personal life. Are you guys interested? If you are, drop it in the comment section. Okay. Yeah, so this is it though. All these videos you see down here that has 0.62 cents, 0.59, 0.20 were videos I made around the month of June and May. Yeah, they were the videos that I made that has gathered all the momentum it's supposed to gather, and YouTube still paid me small from them. So there are these 0 cents you are seeing. And if I am to be asked question, is this money worth it? Because initially when this pay came, I was like, "Ah, it's small, it's small." Now compared to what I'm being paid on my main channel, which is larger than this by far. Yeah, but when I calmed down and I checked how many videos I like uploaded, nobody advised me, nobody talked to me. I was like, oh, I actually cost it, because I posted less. And this month of August, you guys will not even believe my revenue. But if you're interested in knowing, drop it in the comment section. I am always here to serve you guys as it is, plain. Without sugarcoating, without hiding anything at all. So yeah. So one thing I love about this paycheck is that for the aspect of tax and no tax, because YouTube is going to deduct a particular tax before they pay you. So I think they added this amount with my main channel amount, the money I earned there, then they removed the tax. Yeah. So, and the tax was not even much, because one advantage of having Nigeria as an audience, which is not even all that good because the pay is small, is that you're going to receive a less tax. If you have US and United Kingdom as your audience, bro, YouTube is going to minus a lot of tax. Like, when I mean a lot of tax, there was a time that I made close to $800 in a month. My tax was close to $200. Yes, now close to $200, and I was like, what? Oh my god, it's really really crazy, honestly. Yeah. So, but at the end of the day, it's actually worth it. And this is how much I got for the month of August. So go down to the comment section and let me know if it's actually worth it or not. And if you're wondering how much do I even actually make, just like a snippet, is that the right English? On my main channel. This is a video I posted about 2 months ago on how much I got for the month of May. And these are some other videos on how much YouTube pays me on daily basics on my main channel, so that you can be able to know, okay, this is what a YouTube growth channel earns and this is what a lifestyle channel earns. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That if you watch to this extent, you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video if you've not done so, and lastly, do not forget to share so that I can get to a lot of YouTubers out there. And as always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.